Listen, you guys, listen. I got a story to tell you. As always, around Christmas time, we did a little secret Santa, okay? And let's just say by the end of this, you're gonna see that it really didn't go my way. But as the day go by, I'll keep telling you more and more about what happened. Listen, we do this little secret Santa every year, okay? What we do is we put the names in the hat. Everybody got to draw a name out of the hat, and that's who your secret Santa is. Now, nobody is supposed to say anything. Nobody is supposed to know who you got. Nobody is supposed to know. Just keep that in mind, okay? Keep that in mind. This year, I made a mistake. And it wasn't even really a mistake, but I just made a mistake by actually going all out. I was getting hyped. I was in the Christmas spirit. The mood was right. I was pumped. Listen, I don't know about anybody else, but I'm going all out this Secret Santa. There ain't no limit, okay? Ain't no limit, all right? No $25 limit. I'm going all out. What you mean? I basically said to everybody that I was going all out for Secret Santa. Now I know what you guys are thinking. Jeezy, what's the problem? What's the big issue? I have yet to figure that out. But listen. It was an issue, okay? It was a big issue because I had to use my imagination. I had to really think. I had to dig deep. I had to really fight for this, okay? My mental wasn't there. It's just the idea of what I was gonna get him. Uncle Kev, I'm next?
Yeah, you next, nephew. You the last one. So who you got, nephew? Nephew, who you got? Nephew, who you got?
So if you guys don't know who I'm talking about Justin. That guy down there. All the way down there, right there. You see this guy? Right there. I'm talking about this guy. Yeah, the guy that's waving. Yeah, I'm talking about him.
HustleDreamProduction.
Bro, it doesn't work. Just release the rubber. Yeah, bro. I'm telling you, gravity is his best friend.
I'm talking about 400 pounds.
Oh, I'm serious. He was like... Hey, remember that, Ramon? The clients would start spinning out of nowhere because we're so sweaty?
Yeah. Oh.
Put my chair up on my leg in order to
Alright, so let me tell you guys about this whole story real quick. Let's just speed it up. I didn't know what to get Justin. My wife recommended Vans. She told me, hey, which kind of shoes you wear? I said, wear Vans. At first, my first mind was to buy him some Yeezys. I said, you know what? They was talking in the shop, talking about he wanted some all white Yeezys. That's a pair that he would wear. And I said, you know what? That'd be a good gift. But me overthinking it, I said, you know what? The gift is gonna take 2 weeks to come in. I don't have 2 weeks worth of time. So I was thinking about what to get him, and I was just drawing a blank, you guys. I'm telling you. Thinking about what kind of gift I should give him, it just wouldn't come to mind. So I just went with the Vans. Now, let's skip all the way to the day of the dinner. We're all having a good time. We walk in. Mind you, the food is great. We're all eating. We're all giving our little speeches and stuff. We're all just gathering, having a nice time. So after we ate, it was time to play some, friendly game, girls against guys, if you will.
Cause it's all no. He got it. He got it. Yeah, you got it.
So after all the fun, it was time to get into the secret Santa portion of the event. Okay, so we were passing out gifts. Everybody was like, hey, look, let's pass our gifts. Let's open our gifts one at a time. Let's see who goes first. And I just happened to go last. Oh God. See, you guys are probably thinking, Jeezy, what's wrong with going last? Listen, all I had was a pair of Vans as a gift. I'm looking at everybody opening their gifts and I'm like, man, you guys are really going all out. You know what I mean? You guys are really taking this thing a little too far. You know, I'm even expressing myself as they're opening their gifts and I'm seeing exclusive Yeezys getting passed around and it's just overwhelming at this point. So my turn was next. My turn was next, so I had to shift the conversation. I said, listen, wait a minute, everybody, wait a minute. Don't try to downplay our gifts, being that I seen that his gifts was small. I said, listen, don't try to downplay our gifts. Don't disrespect our gifts. Oh, how I was wrong.
I already see what it is. And I'm with, my goodness! Lord have mercy!
So I'm on the ground right now because I'm excited about the gift. Don't get me wrong, I'm excited, but the thing is, it's like you gave me a $500 camera, and it was like, dang, this man went all out. Like I'm like a $500 camera, and all I got him was some Vans.
That's for you.
Every day.
Oh my God.
That's sweet.
Come on, you always on the go.
So you can see where I was I was on the ground and I was like, I couldn't really speak, you know? So after that, I'm just sitting down at this table, you know, kind of alone at this point with my gift. And I'm just like, man, he really got me this. And all I got him was some Vans. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna continue on with what I said I was gonna do, okay? I'm gonna get him those pair of Yeezys, okay? I'm gonna get him those pair of all white Yeezys, okay? And I'm gonna get him something else, okay? He's not gonna top me. Who do he think he is? Listen, you guys, he's not even ready for what's about to happen. He is not ready for what's about to happen, alright? Yeah. You're not even ready. You're not ready. You're not ready. So what we're about to do? We're about to do it now. Let's move in on him. Let's creep in on him right now. All right, Justin. Justin. Yes. Yes. Please sit down. Sit down. Why is he turning red for? Yes, he's turning red. He has to open it right now. He has to open it right now. Keep that same energy.
Is your butt cheek sweaty?
Bro, shut the hell up.
Okay.
Come on, you
okay.
got.
Come on. All right. Let's just open it up and see what it is. All right. Hold on. It's out of the way. What are you doing? Okay. Come on.
Man, I didn't even have no. How do you open this damn book?
Hold on, the other way. Hold on. Don't disrespect. Wait a minute. This way.
Oh,
this
right
way.
here.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen. Yes. But wait, there's more. Okay? There's more. Wait a minute. Okay? Since he wanted to hit me with the little box. Okay? All right. Let's hold on. Zoom it in. Yes,
Okay.
ladies and gentlemen.
Now I get.
He tried to outdo me.
This might be a war. For sure. Appreciate it, bro.
No problem. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen. I just feel so relieved right now. I just feel so, yes.
So like it was like this, right? Everybody pulled up with their gifts. They was kind of like this, you know. It was like this. Everybody had handfuls of gifts. Meanwhile, Jared was over here like this. It tucked in the corner like this. We're all opening up our gifts, and we have all these nice gifts, you know. Other got a box like this big. Jared got something like this.
No, it was the other way around.
You know.
My box is a little bit bigger.
But what was inside was like this.
What was inside?
So it was just a GoPro for a pair of Vans. You know? Oh, he hyped it up. He was all like, man, whoever I get this year, about to get it. I'm going all out. Next, you know, I could have bought myself some Vans. You know.
Just a quick thought. Have you ever just been around a client and they came in and sat down in your chair and they breath stink? And they just like, you ask them what type of cut you want, and then it's like, all right, what is this smell going on? What is this gathering around me? And then you realize, wow, my man need a mint. What's going on? Wow. Next thing you know, it's just all up in your atmosphere. Then you try to be quiet and try to cut all conversation. You know what? I'm not even gonna say nothing else no more, okay? We just gonna get through the cut. Then you realize that by them breathing, it's just all everywhere now. Now you need to disinfect the area. I'm not saying I had a client like that. I'm just saying this is just a thought. Just a thought. Just a thought. That's all. Just a thought. Here's where it kind of gets kind of foul. I call up Jarrell and ask him, hey, what do you think about getting Justin some Vans? He was like, yeah, you know, get the black ones. If you're gonna get something, get the black ones. Get the classics. I was like, yeah, okay, all right. Decided to get the classics. Purchased the classic ones. Next thing you know, the event happens, and this man is over here. Like the whole time, he knew the whole time. Excuse me. The whole time, he knew Justin had got me a GoPro. The whole time. I'm the whole time.
What was I supposed to tell you, man? It was a Secret Santa gift. What was I supposed to tell you?
Listen, the whole time, he knew that Justin got me a GoPro. You could have warned me before even, in the comment section below. Should he have told me? I called him, said, hey, I'm getting Justin some Vans. He should have then said, hey, Jared, you might want to do a little bit more than that, right?
He said,
in the comment section, let us know.
He said, should I get him these Vans? I thought he would have got like an outfit with it or something.
We're done here.